In this video, I'll show you how to create long AI videos with Kling AI by combining multiple short AI-generated clips into one complete video. First, plan your video before you start generating anything. Decide on the main topic, story, or message, and then divide the entire video into smaller scenes. Instead of trying to generate one long scene with many different actions, create several short clips. This gives you more control over each part of the video and makes it easier to fix problems. For each scene, write a clear Kling AI prompt. Describe the subject, action, environment, camera movement, lighting, and visual style. If the same character appears throughout the video, keep their important appearance details consistent. Reuse the same character description and reference images whenever appropriate. Now generate the first clip and review it carefully. If the result looks good, move on to the next scene. If something is wrong, regenerate that specific scene rather than starting the entire project again. For the next scene, keep the visual style consistent. Match the character appearance, environment, lighting, and overall tone so the clips feel like they belong to the same video. You can also use different camera shots to keep a long video visually interesting. Use wide shots for locations, medium shots for actions, and close-ups for important moments. After generating all your clips, import them into a video editor. Arrange the scenes in the correct order and remove any unnecessary sections. Then add your voiceover, background music, sound effects, captions, transitions, and other editing elements. Watch the complete video from beginning to end and check for sudden changes in characters, lighting, camera style, or video quality.